Welcome to an honors program tutorial for creating a washable, solar-powered electric blanket for unhoused individuals. You'll find that collaboration is key for making these blankets efficiently. You'll be using 3 large blankets, scissors, glue, and a set of USB-powered heating pads. To start, lay down 2 blankets, one on top of the other, keeping the third to the side. Reduce the size of the top layer by cutting about 6 inches inward from 2 adjacent edges, taking off a bit more than what's shown here. Keep the remaining fabric scraps for later on. Now, on the layer that you just cut, arrange the heating pads evenly around the fabric, making sure that the wires are untangled and that the button and USB cord can reach to the outside edge of the blanket. Place glue around the edges of each pad, then apply pressure until they stick to the fabric. Repeat this until all of the pads are glued down. From there, take the strips of fabric from earlier and cut them into smaller pieces. Glue them to the middle layer, covering the wires but avoiding the heating pads. Set the middle layer aside and allow the glue to dry. Now, take the third blanket and stretch it over top of the first. Start making 4-inch long slits through both layers of the fabric. They should be about 3 stitches thick when looking at the outer edge of the top blanket. Continue this around the whole perimeter and cut off any excess fabric on the corners. Now, on one edge only, tie the line of strips together. You can tie them in whatever fashion is easiest for you, as long as the type of knot is secure. Leave the remaining edges untied. Now, you can open the 2 pieces like a book and place the middle layer on one side. Line the middle layer up to the base of where you cut the fabric strips from earlier. Fold back the outer edges of the middle layer and place glue along each side. Press all 4 edges down firmly. Once glued, fold the top layer back over the middle layer, again making sure that the USB cord and power button are pulled through and remain outside the blanket. Now, tie the strips along the 3 open edges of the blanket just as you did before. Leave a few untied strips near where the power cord is sticking out. There you can glue the fabric of the power button close to the outside edge of the blanket. And now you have a ready to donate electric blanket.